We're back! I'm back with Anna, and today Anna and I are talking about cold weather clothing. Like RuPaul, watch out. All right, Anna, tell us about your first layer. As you can see here, my first layer, my top layer, is a flannel shirt. We call it flannel because it's soft and it's warmer than a regular shirt. Also, if you remember from our last video, the pattern is called plaid. Plaid, plaid. And also, sometimes because it has buttons all the way, I would call it a button up or a button down. I see you've removed your top layer. What's your next layer? My next layer with the sticker on it is just a long sleeve shirt. So it has long sleeves, it's a regular shirt, and the neck is called a crew neck. Okay, Anna, I noticed that you are wearing jeans. Could you tell us a little bit about these jeans? How would you describe them? These jeans, I mean, they're blue jeans, but I would call them skinny jeans because down at the ankle, they hold to my leg all the way to the bottom. So they're skinny. You can see your whole leg. Yes. Let's talk about zippers. So sometimes we call the zip like your fly, and this has a zipper fly. And Anna has, this is a button fly. So there's no zipper, it's just only buttons. So zip fly, button fly. All right, Katie, I see you're wearing a sweater. Can you tell us a little bit about that sweater? I would love to. So I would call this like a pretty lightweight sweater. It's not super heavy. It's like medium. It's a V-neck. So we would call the neckline a V-neck. And I don't know if you can notice, but there's like, it's ribbed. So there's lines in the material. Okay, Anna, so tell us about your top. My top, okay, well, the layer underneath is called a turtleneck because I look like a turtle. Also, if you'll notice, there's some stripes on here. They're not stripes, it's ribbed. It's ribbed just like before. My top layer is what every teacher has in their closets. And this is called a cardigan. Cardigans are sweaters. They're open in the front. Maybe they have some buttons, maybe not, but every teacher has a cardigan. Truth. All right, Katie, now tell us about what you're wearing. Okay, well, I have a sweater on top, but this is a vest sweater. Remember last week we had a vest jacket. So this is called a vest, and it's a turtleneck vest. So like Anna's shirt before, it is a turtleneck. And then, is this cable knit? Yeah. The pattern on here, it's cable, like a cable. So we call this a cable knit sweater. Underneath, I'm wearing a button down. Notice the buttons are not done, but it's a button down. And it is striped. So the pattern is striped. So Katie, I noticed you're wearing some ribbed pants. Tell us about those ribbed pants. These are called corduroys, or cords for short. And yeah, they have little ribbing in them. These cords are high-waisted cords. So they come up really high to my belly button. And the cut is a flare or boot cut leg. And that just means after my knee, they flare out. So you can't see the outline of my leg like you can in Anna's skinny jeans.